Limassol, Papos, mostly Nicosia because Nicosia is too many events there. So we're going to give a plaque of appreciation to our members and officers. Yeah. Surprise! Okay, I would like to award to Dolores Ripono, Best Performer in Cyprus. Yeah, Best Performer in Cyprus, Dolores Ripono. Ito po, mga best performers po natin. Best performers in Cyprus to be awarded to Dolores. Can you give this to our performers? Okay, next is Iris Pilayo. Iris Pilayo. Wala nang iwanan. Iris Pilayo is it? Iris Pilayo. Also po, pinicturan niyo na ba? Marnele Ligay, Best Performer in Cyprus. Ito po lang, this is our theatrical performers. She can perform in teatro. Also, she can perform declamation. Yes, thank you, Marnela. Wala nang iwanan yan, ha? Ay, dapat. Picture daw, Kelly. Okay, bigyan na natin. Alice Baluganet! Best Performer in Cyprus! Best Performer na talaga in Cyprus. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Kelly. Best Performer in Cyprus. No,
para kay mga minions.
Okay. Best performers in Cyprus.
Puro best talaga.
Lorena Kabatan. Ayan, best performers in Cyprus. Mama Rula, sorry. Can you give this to our best performers? Also to our best supported in Cyprus. Best performers pala. Best performers in Cyprus. Rosene Orisa. Abot. Nakalimutan ko. Okay. Awarded to Best Performance in Cyprus, Mr. Jamel Lito. Ayan, hindi yan nalibilit. Pero she's late. She's late. Best Performers. Okay, next. Our best performers in Cyprus, Lourdes Galpito. Can you please come over here yung mga trophy ko? Next is, ayun, dami namin mga best. Our best performers in Cyprus again, Geraldine Benetis, our secretary. Hindi nga pala. Sorry. And of course, our best performers awarded to Dina Bagorio. Wala nang iwanan. This is our best performer. Kasi wala man si ano, no? Best performers. Best performers. Best performers goes to Helen Santos Pasado. Sorry, May pala. May pala. Sorry naman. Tao lang. May.
Pakodak.
Ayan. Okay, next.
The most beautiful daw. The most beautiful and sexy. No other than.
Best performance actress award to
Ay! Kodak! Wala kodak? Ay, wala kodak, be? Wala na film! No more film! No more! Ayan. Minsan lang po ito. Thank you so much. And now, of course, hindi matatapos ang ating award kung wala ang ating presidente. Leonel Bello, best performer, best president, best na sa lahat. Ayan. Yay! Kodak.
And the most generous.
Yes, kulang pa pala.
To all performers na mga mag-active na yan, next naman kayo ang mabibigyan namin on the next another year. We're going to give also award to our active members of the OPC. Picture, come on everybody, and then I'm going to see our Zumba games. Group photos.
Pakodak ang lahat. Pakodak. Sige. Tara. Sige.
Kuya Mark!
Jam, halika. Be careful, Meme, mag-ingat ka.
Sana mag-picture sa amin.
Ayan, pakodak na.
Kunin mo ako, ha? O yung pinakamagandang slide.
Okay.
Thank you, Ka.
Jump shot.
Waki.
Okay, smile. Waki.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Ang mga tuhod ng lola nyo, alalayan.
Ayan, maglaro na naman tayo.
Again, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Ma'am Andrula and Sir Diego. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, balik tayo sa ating games. Ayun. We will go back to our parlor games. Okay.
Hindi pa kakantayin mo muna si Nat at saka si Ana.
Si
Ana na Maki will sing.
Guys, kakantahan pala kayo muna ni Anko na Love. Ayan, si Ann Beredi. And next, Maki. Sino pang Si Zai. Zai. Kasi sa Zai.
Yes, the design.
Ayan. Ayan, yung mga singers natin. Ayan. Sino nakaunang salang din?
Ann, please. Zai. Si Maki.
Και την Black Friday, Scrooge, με πάνω από 500.000 deals και fast delivery. Κατέβασε τώρα το app.
Θα σας δείξω τι δεν βλέπετε. Αυτός είναι ολόκληρος ο κόσμος των ακινήτων στην Κύπρο. Όλη η αγορά. Κάθε σπίτι από κάθε μεσίτη, κάθε ιδιοκτήτη,